Hello, I'm Garrett with Ghost Shield. Today we're going to talk about paint protection film, what it is, why people love it, and if it's right for you. Paint protection film, it's a polyurethane film that's specifically designed to protect the leading edges of the vehicle from rock chips, scratches. The newer films, they have an acrylic clear coat that reacts with heat that in essence self-heals when minor scratches, things happen to the film, mold back into their original state. Any customer can remove the scratches with a little heat, whether that be hot water, put the car out in the sun, blow dryer. As long as the ambient temperature is 70 degrees, it should heal itself. Paint protection film will keep your car cleaner due to the hydrophobic additional coatings these newer films have. So in essence, the dirt's not sticking as easy as it used to. It is going to help keep the surface clean longer. As far as the resale value, you won't get that ding when you go to turn your lease in or your purchase. Toyota Prius or a Ferrari, the paint chips just the same on all of them. Here at Ghost Shield, we have lots of different options. A couple of main packages that we offer, but we're just trying to sell customers what they think they need. You can do as little as a headlight or as much as a full car. It just really depends what that customer feels they need. Obviously, the front end is the most common area. It's getting the rock chips, self-healing film. A lot of people are starting to see the value in protecting the whole car because, we're not only protecting rock chips now, we're protecting from minor scratching. Paint protection film, brand new cars, it's not going to change the look. If anything, it's going to enhance the gloss. If you like this video, hit that like button so we know that it was helpful. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified of future videos. Thanks for watching.